In this video, we're going to be applying what we've learned about percents to discount and markup. So our essential questions are, what is a discount and how is it calculated? And what is a markup and how is it calculated? So first of all, what is a discount? A discount, or a markdown, is the amount that the regular price of an item is reduced. Discounts are typically a percentage of the regular price. So you see discounts in stores when they have sales and things like that. So they're usually measured in percentages, so we need to know how to calculate a discount. There's actually two methods for calculating a discount, and it doesn't matter which one you use, you will still find the correct discount no matter what. So method one would be to find the amount of the discount. And again, this is a part to whole relationship. So the discount is the part and the regular price of the item is the whole. So again, we're going to see that percent equation. Again, you can use the percent proportion, but I'm using the percent equations just because they're a little bit faster, and we've used them quite a bit. So find out how much the discount is going to be, and then second step would be to subtract that amount from the regular price. So if you take the regular price and subtract how much the discount is, then you'll get your sale price. The second method would be to find the percent of the regular price that remains after the discount. So we would take 100%, which is the full price, and subtract the percent that the discount is. So for example, if we had a 10% discount on something, that means 90% of the price will be left because we're taking 10% off. So that's 100 minus 10, or 100% minus 10%. And then we can find the new price by taking the whole times the percent there and find the part using the percent that's left. Rather than finding the amount that's taken off and subtract it, we can find the percent that's left. So let's take a look at an example of both of these methods. A DVD normally costs $22. This week it is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price of the DVD? So here we have our original price and the percent of the discount. So method one would be to find the amount of the discount. How much money is going to be taken off? So we need to find 25% of $22. So that is the whole times the percent, and that's what I do right here. $22 was the price. 25% is the discount, so 22 times 0.25, that's the percent as a decimal, is $5.50. Now this represents how much money is going to be taken off the price. This is the discount. It's not the price of the item, it's how much is going to be taken off. So what we have to do next is subtract the amount of the discount from the regular price. So that $22 minus the $5.50 discount gives us a total of $16.50. So the DVD will cost $16.50 after the discount. So that's method one. Find out how much the discount is and then subtract it from the regular price. Method two is to find the percent that's left after the discount. So since it's a 25% off discount, I'm going to subtract 25% from 100%. So that leaves us 75%. That means that 75% of the price is going to remain because we're taking 25% of the price off. So now, instead of finding 25% of the regular price, I'm going to find 75% of the regular price because that's what's going to be what's left. So that's what I do here. 22 times 75%, or 0.75 as a decimal, is $16.50. So now I just know the price is going to be $16.50 after the discount. I don't have to subtract anything after that. So two methods. It really doesn't matter which one you use because you can see you get the same result either way. Take a look at another example. A shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off the regular price. What is the sale price of the shirt? So the method one would be to find out how much money is going to be taken off the price. So I have my regular price, $42, and the percent of the discount is 0.15, or 15%. And then I multiply those to find that my discount is going to be $6.30. So this is the amount that I need to take off of the regular price. So I take $42 minus $6.30, and that gives me $35.70. So that tells me the shirt will cost $35.70 after the discount. The second method would be to find what percent of the price is going to remain. So since I'm taking 15% off, I'm going to subtract 15% from 100%, and that tells me that 85% of the price is going to be left after the discount. 85% of the price will remain. So now I need to find out what 85% of the price is. So I take $42 times 85%, or 0.85, And surprise, surprise, I get $35.70. So the shirt will cost $35.70 after the discount. I get the exact same thing in both methods. So it really doesn't matter which method you use when finding a discount, method 1 or method 2. The process is still the same though, and you just get the same result. So that's finding a discount. What is a markup? A markup is the amount that a store increases the price of an item before selling it. Markups are typically a percent of the regular price. So this is kind of the opposite of a discount. We're not decreasing the cost by a percent. We're increasing the cost by a percent. So stores have to do this in order to make a profit, because if they sell something for the exact same price that they buy it, they don't make any money. So they have to mark up the price of the items that they sell. So how is a markup calculated? Well, we're going to see that it's very similar to a discount, except instead of decreasing the cost, we're increasing the cost. So if you understand the two methods for discounts, then the two methods for markup will be quite easy. First thing we want to do is find the amount of the markup. So again, this is a part whole percent problem here. So we're going to use that equation again, part equals whole times percent as a decimal. And now step 2, instead of subtracting like in a discount, we're going to add the amount of the markup to the regular price, because we're increasing the price of the item. So it's the regular price plus the amount of the markup is going to be the final selling price. Method 2, very similar. We're going to find the percent of the regular price after the markup. So instead of 100% minus the discount, we're going to do 100% plus the percent markup. And then again, we'll use that part equals whole times percent equation to find the final price after the markup. So an example, a store buys shoes for $30 and marks up the price 40%. What will the selling price of the shoes be after the markup? So the first method would be to find out how much money we're going to increase the price. So they bought them for $30, and we want to find 40% of that, which is 0.4 as a decimal, or 0.40. So 30 times 0.4, or 40% of 30, is $12. So the amount of the shoes is going to be increased by $12. So we're going to add that amount to what they bought them for. 30 plus 12 is $42. So the store will sell the shoes for $42. Method 2, we're going to find the percent that the price is increased. So this was the regular price, 100%, and we're going to increase it by 40%. So we add those together. The final selling price is going to be 140% of what they bought them for. So the selling price is 140% of the regular price. So now we need to find 140% of the regular price. The regular price was $30. So we're going to find 140% of that. So 30 times 1.4, or 1.40, is $42. So the store will sell the shoes for $42. Again, it doesn't matter which method you use, you get the same one. So pick your favorite, and it doesn't matter. And then finally, the cost of a popular video game is $28. The store marks up the price 83%. What will the store sell the video game for? So method 1, we need to find out how much money they're going to increase the price. So we need to find 83% of 28. So $28 is our price that they purchased the game for. 83% is what they're going to mark it up. So 28 times 83%, or 0.83, is $23.24. So we're going to add that on to what they paid for the video game. $28 plus $23.24 gives us a total of $51.24. So the store will sell the game for $51.24. Method 2, we're going to find the percent of the regular price that remains. Oh, whoops, that shouldn't say that. Find the percent of the regular price after the markup. So it'd be 100% plus 83%. So that's 183% of what the price was before. So the selling price is going to be 183% of the regular price. So we're going to take the price that they bought the game for, $28, and find 183% of that, or 1.83 times greater. And that is $51.24. So the store will sell the game for $51.24. Again, we get the same thing either method. So here we can see two methods for calculating discount and the same two methods for calculating markup, except one is a decrease in price and the other is an increase in price.